Hey, family, it's your sister Angel Dominique Jackson with Angel's Podcast. And I am here today. Remember last week we talked about the new collab I'm a part of called the Survival Seed? Now, the Survival Seed is run by Vineyard Chicks Homestead, uh, Bushcraft Family, and Lazy Days Ahead with Jesse and Lisa. Yeah, so I was so happy to join the collab. I'll put all the information in the description if you would like to join. But what it is if you join the collab and you do ongoing videos and sharing about how things are going with your survival seeds, they will send you free seeds, right? Then they also have you have an opportunity if you don't want to do videos and be a part of a collab, you can just order seats. Well, I did both. I joined the collab. I haven't received, unless the package has come today. I don't know if they put my my free seeds in here along with the ones I ordered. So, family, I'm so excited that they came today. I told you as soon as they come, I'm going to open it up. I'm going to share it with you and do a little quick review on what it looks like, right? Let's open it up. Let's see what they sent me. And then also, I could let you know what seeds I ordered on my own. Things I kind of was kind of, like, hey, I like to try these seeds this year, right? So I can't remember what it was, but I know it was called the Heirloom Survival. Hopefully, I'm not ripping anything here. You ever do that? Open up a package and then you kind of rip up part of the information that you don't want to rip by just cutting it with the scissors. Mm. Mm. Oh, that's good. Yeah, get your coffee, get your tea, have a seat. Let's just quickly see what's in the package. This just came the other day. I said I want to share it with my fam. All right. Well, let's see what this is here. Let's see what this is here. All right. It has my, okay, this is, hello. The following links contain information how to grow from seeds as our growing instructions are not complete. First, I am sending you a link for a planting calendar. You just have to put your postal code and see when and what you can plant according to the area where you live, right? Second, it says, this is a website I love and use for almost anything. It has so much information for each variety of vegetable, herbs, etc. Just type in the search engine what you're looking for. Beautiful. It says, kind regards, Elisa Lang, Rainbow Seeds. All right. So they're sending information where I can go and click links to get more information about the planting schedule because we're all in different zones. Excuse my rudeness because not everybody knows me. Again, my name is Angel. My name is Angel. I reside in Sacramento, California, and I am in zone 9. All right. So, depending on where you live, and if you're new and you're just watching this video and you're saying, what's all this planting about? I want to know, what I can grow in my area. Just, you can look up what you can grow in your zone. So, first of all, you got to find out what zone you're in. You could Google what zone is, Colorado, and they'll tell you what zone for planting is. And you can see what you can grow, what you can't grow, um, and be successful in the ones you choose, right? So here is the ones I ordered. All right. Wow, family, look at that. Look at that. Oh, I'm getting excited. Oh, family, when you love to plant things and you just get excited. There's nothing like when you see the seeds. And look at how beautiful. Survival heirloom bank number 1. So that's what I ordered. The survival seeds, heirloom seed bank 1. So let's see what's in the bag. All right. It says, oh, matter of fact, it's right here in the back. I'm going to read what I ordered and then I'm going to pull out and take a look at the seeds they sent, okay? The packaging. This is what I ordered. I ordered beefsteak tomato, Amish paste tomato, Tiny Tim tomato, green call wonder pepper, Genovese basil, Victoria rhubarb, red globe onion, Paris romaine lettuce, cherry bell radish, market more cucumber, Detroit dark red beets, dark green zucchini, Burgess buttercup squash. Wow. Jack o' lantern pumpkin, Danvers carrot, DC, D, D, how do you pronounce this? Decent sit. Oh my God. It's Decicco broccoli. Okay. Decicco or Deciso broccoli. Copenhagen cabbage. Homesteader Lincoln peas. Stringless, stringless green pod beans and golden bantam corn. So your sister is going to be busy. So this is what I ordered, family. Look at how beautiful. I have to tell you. Shout out to Survival Seeds. Shout out to these beautiful, beautiful people. And look at how nice. This packaging is amazing. They have everything written in the back. They put it in a little package where you can keep your little seeds there and you know what's in there. Let's take a look at the packets. Yes, family. Let's take a look at the packets. All right, all right. Just pull them all out like this. Let's take a look. We got the tiny Tim cherry tomato. Yeah, those look delicious. Don't those look good? Oh, and I don't know if you've seen any of my videos, but my cherry tomatoes out here. My beefsteak. I struggle with the beefsteak. Did anybody else struggle with the beefsteak? We're gonna try this. And then the Amish paste tomato. Look at that. Look at that, family. Could you imagine if I could get successful with these? I could make me a big pot of some delicious spaghetti. Like my grandma used to make it. She never bought like ragu and stuff. I had a real grandma. I'm not trying to be funny, but I had the grandma when you come home and they're cooking and you know what I'm saying? The grandma, the real grandma, the real grandma is the one that protects you from mama, right? When mama starts saying something, grandma says, hey, mama, that's the only one that can sit mama down is grandma. Okay. I love my grandma, but she used to make all her sauce add, just natural. Get her tomatoes, made her own sauce. And it was, oh my God, and that smell. You never smell that. It's like when they leave with that, right? You can't get it like they get it. But anyway, family, the Amish paste tomato. Oh, ooh, bush zucchini. Bush zucchini. I love it. I love it. Onion seeds. Onion seeds. We got the Burgess buttercup. Burgess buttercup. Market more non-GMO cucumber. Okay, non-GMO. That's what's up. Victoria, rhubarb seed, non-GMO, non-GMO. Sweet bell pepper, non-GMO. I don't. Did I even say sweet? I don't think I even said sweet bell pepper on here. You know what? It wasn't on the list. It wasn't on the list. This is they must have thrown this in. Thank you so much. Thank you if you're watching this video. Um, Family that sent this beautiful package to me. Thank you for the extra. Romaine lettuce, cherry bell, cherry bell. Yeah, we got the cherry bell on there. We got the Detroit dark red, beautiful. All right. The carrot seeds, the carrot seeds. We got the jack-o'-lantern pumpkin seeds, jack-o'-lantern pumpkin seeds. All right. And this is the one I couldn't pronounce. Do you know how to pronounce that for me? D-E-C-I, Decicco. D. I'll just say broccoli. I'll just say a specialty broccoli. We got Copenhagen market cabbage seeds. Yes, family. Genovese basil. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. And look at these seeds. Isn't that cool? Look at these. These are Homesteader or Lincoln English peas. Look at these English peas. Okay. Very nice. And these are the stringless green bush beans. These are the green bush All right. Yes, beautiful. And then we got the sweet corn, golden bantam sweet corn. All right. There we go, family. There we go. So, family, I'm gonna tell you, this is beautiful. The survival seeds, heirloom seed. Bank number one is what I ordered. If you are interested in these beautiful seeds that I got, if you like my selection that I picked, please, go into the description. I'm going to have their link there and all the information. But family, this was uh, just beautiful packaging, great, great selection of seeds. And I look forward, family, starting with, I have, this is a lot, and there's a lot here that I have not experienced planting. So this is going to be really nice. It's going to be very um, exciting because I'm going to learn how to, um, just challenge myself to do a little bit, get information on what I can grow here, how to do it, if I have the right soil I'm going to need and the right time of the year to do it. So this is wonderful. I tell you, the survival seeds, I received the package out of 10. I give it 10 plus stars. It was amazing. They sent it right away. It didn't take long for it to get here. I haven't got my free seeds yet, but I did get the ones I paid for, so I'm very happy about that. And just watch me. Just watch me. I'll be watching you, but you gotta leave me a comment, family. I got a lot of people on YouTube, just like you do, and you know how it is. Sometimes you forget, but if you leave me a comment, right, that I remember, oh, let me go. Because see, you even though we hit that like, we smash that notification bell, and you have to hit all, that you would like all the notifications. And even though you do that, we're dealing with, you know, technology, and there are glitches and things happen. So sometimes, I'm no longer subscribed to your channel. You may no longer be subscribed to my channel. So just kind of check comments and just try to, put the hashtag, in your title. So that way, when I, you know, go do my survival fam collabs, I can hit it, and then your videos will come up. So even if I lose the subscribe from subscribing to you through YouTube or any technical issues, as long as I can hit that, you know, uh, that hashtag, I can get all the people that are in the same collab, and we can kind of go and introduce ourselves, or just come watch the video and leave you some information. But family, I just wanted to spend the time and just let you know that package came. I want to show you. Oh, hey, there's something else in here. Onion seeds. Yay. Yeah. So yeah, family. So I'm gonna put that with the rest of the. Yes, but let me know what you're ordering, what you're gonna be, happy to watch your video and go from there, family. But again, I am in Sacramento. I am Zone 9. My name is Angel. Please hit that like, smash that notification bell, and subscribe to your sister channel. And thank you guys for watching. All right. Love you guys. Peace, peace.